Okay, so question 5. Two rectangles 3 by 9 overlapping to make an L shape. Calculate the perimeter of the shape. Perimeter, remember, we add, so we need to add up all the way around. So we have that side, that side, that side, and we don't have the length of this side or this side at the moment. But that is 9 centimetres there, that is 3. So 9 take away 3, that makes that 6. Same here, 9 take away 3, that side is going to be 6. So we're going to have 3, add 9, add 9, add 3, add 6, add 6. In total is going to give us 36 centimetres. Calculate the area. Area we times and multiply. So what I would do is find the area of this rectangle here first. We've got 9 times 3. The area of that rectangle is going to be 27 centimetres squared. Then we're going to have the area of just this rectangle here, this little rectangle. Because we've already used that little part there. So we know this is going to be 6 times 3. Which is going to be 18 centimetres squared. So we have 27 plus 18 is going to give us 45 centimetres squared. Question 6. This is a QWC question, so remember to be careful of how you lay this question out. Careful your spelling and grammar as well. So it says, dear 10 pupils asked to arrange the seating. Each row will have 12 seats. So each row going across is going to be 12 seats. Each row will take up 2 metres. So each row is going to be 2 metres down there for a row. Show new working, decide whether there will be enough seats for 200 people. Okay, so if each row is 2 metres, and it's 18 metres in total, we can divide that by 2 to work out that there's going to be 9 rows. Because we can fit 9 twos going down there. And the same on this side. Okay. Then there are going to be 12 seats going across. So we're going to have 9 rows on this side, 9 rows of 12 seats, 9 rows of 12 seats, which is 108 seats on each side. So 108 going down here, 108 going down here. We can then say we can have 108 times 2 then, because 108 add 108, which is going to give us 216 seats in total. Therefore, 216 is greater than the 200 they asked about. Therefore, there will be enough seats. Okay, and that's all is required for the QWC question there. Question 7, paper 3. So complete an accurate drawing in which PQ is 10 centimetres, that's drawn already. RPQ is 36 degrees. Now the one that has a little hat over like this is where the angle's to be drawn. So it's to be drawn at P. So you put your protractor, remember, line up the T on the end of the line there and make sure this line is flat against the line. Then follow it across till you get to the 0. Now we're trying to draw 36 degrees. So we follow the 0 around until we get to 36, which is there. We put a dot. Okay. And then get your ruler and join that dot to the edge of the line. And draw a long line. Then you get. Okay, so like I said, now we're going to draw an angle at Q of 112 degrees. So at Q, put it there. So have the T lined up on the edge, line it on the line. Then the 0 this time on the outside. So we're going to follow the outside numbers till we get to 112, which is going to be there. And we'll put a dot. Then join with your ruler from Q through that dot and extend it out. Now, if you notice, my lines don't quite meet, so what you need to do is you need to extend this other line until they cross. Then you can mark them off, 112 degrees, 36 degrees. Make sure they look reasonable. Write down the special name given to angles which are greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 is called an obtuse angle. Question part B. calculate the volume of a cuboid of length 4, width 3, calculate the height, of length 4, width 3 and volume 84. So your volume of a cuboid is equal to length times width times height. So we know that the volume is 84. That is equal to the length times by the width times by the height. Always lay it out like this. We know that 84 is equal to 4 times 3 is 12 times by the height. We do the opposite. Opposite of timesing is dividing by 12. Let's do 84 divided by 12 is h. So h is just 7 centimetres. So 84 is 12 times something. 84 is 12 times 7. H is 7. Question 8. Following table shows 4 places in the height above sea level. Okay. Explain what it means to write the height of Lake Erie is above sea level is minus 15. This means sea level is the level of the seawater. Okay. So this one is 355 above seawater. Minus 15 means it is dropped below the sea level. So that means it's 15 metres below the sea level. So it's gone underground. Which place is lowest of the 4? That'll be the lowest of these numbers. That's going to be this one here because it's minus 40, which is Cot Melria. How much higher is Cot Melria than Llyn Conlin? So Cot Melria is minus 40. Llyn Conlin in Wales is 355. So you want to work out how much they are. Now to go from there, minus to a positive, we can add these up. We've got 40 below and 355 above is going to give us 395 metres.